This is Danny Gould with the Selling Silicon Valley Group. Welcome everyone to another Willow Glen 2-minute drill where we cover all things real estate related in 2 minutes or less for the area of Willow Glen. And before we get into today's video, everyone, if you're a home buyer, seller, or investor in today's market, regardless of whether it's Willow Glen or any other area here in Silicon Valley, and you want more data than what we have to share with you today, go ahead and text the word data to the number down below for a unique solution, unique data for your unique situation. Anyways, guys, we're super high tech here. We're gonna start the timer in 3, 2, 1, go. Wow, that took a second. Anyways, so when you see the data below, you'll see today we're gonna focus on absorption rate. And the reason is because right now the inventory levels are so much drastically lower than they've been in previous years for this time. And so are pendings. And so it's good to measure the relative rate of absorption based on today's environment and today's inventory levels. And when you look at the inventory levels in the condo townhome sector, you'll see that we're at 66%, 67%, which is still well up and above and beyond what a good seller's market would be, which is 33%. And now if you look at the single family sector, you'll notice that it's a slightly different scenario, but it's fairly similar. We're at 52%. So both are still well above 33%. Now in the single family sector, you'll see that the list price to sales price ratio is 101%. That means despite the pandemic, despite the hysteria, you're still seeing homes selling for over what sellers are asking for in the single family sector. And when you look at the Willow Glen list price to sales price ratio for condos and townhomes, you'll see that it's also at 101%, meaning that both condo townhome owners and single family owners are getting more than what they're asking for. And predict what you may about what all of this is going to mean for sales prices in the future or home prices in the future. But right now, prices are staying relatively stable. We're seeing homes stay on the market for not very long, and inventory being absorbed at a rate that's very comparable to what it's been in previous years. And so despite the hysteria, despite the noise that you might be hearing, this should be great news for you if you're a home seller. And if you're a home buyer in today's market, use this information, because the reality is that while there might be people that are telling you that you can get deals out there, the reality is you're gonna have to write competitively in order to win. Anyways, guys, that's all the time that we have for today. If you have any comments, no, there we go. That's all the time we have for today, everyone. If you have any comments, questions, go ahead and leave them down below. I'm curious to hear what you think. What's going to happen with the Willow Glen market? Are we going to see an increase in demand, or are we going to see a decrease in demand here after shelter in place is lifted? And remember, everyone, if you're a home buyer or seller in today's environment, go ahead and text the word analysis down to the number down below for a unique solution to your unique situation. This is Danny Gould, everyone, with the Selling Silicon Valley Group, and I will catch all of you in the next video.